Have you ever wondered what it feels like to stand beside a real fighter jet? Today, we're stepping into Singapore's aviation history, where legends of the sky rest. Welcome back to the Malabari Lens. In this episode of our Exploring Singapore series, we're visiting the Air Force Museum, a hidden gem that celebrates the Republic of Singapore Air Force's incredible journey. Located near Paya Lebar Air Base, the museum first opened in 1988 and tells the story of how the RSAF transformed from its humble beginnings in 1968 into a modern, world-class Air Force. I began my trip from Eunos bus interchange, and the ride was almost surreal, just me and the driver. I got down at a bus stop near the museum and then walked towards the entrance. After registering at the gate, I stepped into a world of aviation marvels. The outdoor gallery is the first thing that catches your eye, with real fighter aircraft and helicopters on display, including the iconic Hunter, the Skyhawk, and the legendary F-5 Tiger II. These machines once roared through the skies, protecting Singapore's freedom. Inside, the indoor gallery on level 2 takes you deeper into history. From interactive displays and historical artifacts to personal stories of pilots, this section gives a true sense of the RSAF's growth. I also watched a short film in a cozy theater that beautifully captured the evolution of Singapore's air defense. This museum isn't just for aviation fans. It's perfect for families, students, and anyone curious about how a nation secures its skies. I stayed until closing time, taking plenty of pictures and videos of these incredible machines. If you're in Singapore, make sure this is on your must-visit list. Thank you for joining me on this journey with the Malabari Lens. Next up, another hidden gem in Singapore, so stay tuned.